Alright, just in. Official statement by Hamas, South African Conference ends. Muslim unity focus. A delegation from the leadership of the Islamic Resistance Movement Hamas completed a visit to South Africa. During it met with leaders of the ruling parties and parliamentary blocs, heads of parties and civil society institutions, and Muslim communities. The delegation was headed by a member of the Hamas Political Bureau in the Gaza Strip, Basem Naim, and was accompanied by a member of the Arab and Islamic Relations Office, Khaled Qaddoumi, and a member of the International Relations Office, Imad Saber. The movement delegation met with the Secretary General of the ruling African Congress Party and a number of the party's senior leaders, and also met with the leaders of the Economic Freedom Fighters Party, in addition to other parties and parliamentary blocs. On the popular level, the movement delegation visited Nelson Mandela's royal house to attend the 5th International Conference in solidarity with the Palestinian People, where the head of the delegation, Dr. Basem Naim, delivered 2 separate speeches at the conference in the opening and closing sections. You can see him speaking. On the sidelines of the conference, the delegation met with a number of Palestinian factions, human rights, and parliamentary delegations from some of the countries participating in the conference, in addition to a meeting with the host, Mr. Mandela. The delegation held several meetings with civil society organizations in the capital, Cape Town, the city of Durban, the city of Pretoria, and the city of Johannesburg, during which he held several meetings with expatriate Muslim communities and representatives of the Muslim community in the country. Source: Hamas Movement, Hamas TG. Do not forget to like, comment, and share as we continue to pray for peace in Gaza Strip and in Israel. See you in my next video. Don't forget to share and comment. Thank you very much.